Welcome everybody to Affiliate AI. We're so excited that you're here. And today in this product, you're going to learn how to make a really big passive income. And by passive income, I mean income that you set up once and it just keeps coming in over and over and over again. And then the beauty of that is you can stack these passive incomes one on top of another and just build that passive income bigger and bigger. So that's what you're about to learn today. And the cool thing is you don't have to show your face on video. These are faceless videos, and you're going to learn from a gentleman who's doing $300,000 a year in passive income. And guess what? Every single day, he's growing that. So 300,000 maybe now, 400,000 maybe in a few months, 500,000 beyond that. So it just keeps growing.
We've known John for a long time, but it's just been relatively recently where we realized just how crazy he's going with this. And it's so much fun. You know, we know John, we've talked to him, and he literally makes videos of just stuff that he's getting the majority of the time for free, and he's making a ton of money. So that's what's so great about this. We all have stuff. You know, you probably have a TV. You probably have a desk that you use. You have all kinds of things, small things, big items, you name it. You can start with that and start making review videos where, like Dave said, you don't even have to show your face and you can get paid on that. Just because of the fact that you're a person, you're someone that's talking about this particular product. It's not about being a salesperson. It's not about pushing anything. That's what's so amazing. We're going to break down the specific process of how to do this, but it literally is just a matter of showing these products, and you can turn this into a full-time business.
Yeah, like with anything, there's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. And that's why we're tapping into John's brain, somebody who's doing $300,000 a year already and is really a pioneer in this field and just kicking butt and doing amazing things. So one of the things I want you to focus on, though, is this idea that you're going to film, literally with your phone, you're going to film a 30-second to 2-minute video. How long does that take? It takes you 30 seconds to 2 minutes, right? You film about something you've got laying around your house, okay? It didn't cost you anything. You don't have to invest anything. If you have a phone, you can do this, right? And you're not going to show yourself on camera. You're just going to be showing the item and talking about it. And there's a certain format that you're going to learn from John, and there's certain ways to do this. But the bottom line is just literally you and your phone to create a passive income that for John has generated $300,000 and growing. And so now, talking to John, it's amazing because it's like, oh, this morning I put together a go-kart. We just had fun. We playing around and stuff. Basically, every minute of the day that John is, alive, breathing, money's coming in.
Yeah, and it's really, and what's so cool is that where he's at, and remember, we're bringing John in because he's doing this at such a crazy level. He's making hundreds of thousands of dollars to potentially millions of dollars very soon. It's going up every single month. But you can start now with nothing. So in other words, sometimes you're like, this guy's making $300,000 a year, and you think, oh, there's got to be so much to it. No, you can start with one thing. Show your TV. I have a Samsung TV. This is what it is, et cetera, et cetera. I like it. Here's what it looks like. That's it. Like Dave said, 30 seconds to this long. You don't have to go crazy with the specifications and all this stuff. You just show it, and then if someone looks at your video, and then they click on a link, you're getting paid a commission. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, it's super simple. Now, here's one thing I want to mention. There's at least 4 and maybe 5 ways to make money with this method. One is you get affiliate commissions for reviewing a product, right? 2 is you get free products. Once you start doing this, all these vendors and manufacturers start sending you product. They're like, hey, can you review this? Can you review this product? And some of these companies have 20, 30, 50 products that they want you to review for them. So that's another way you get free product, which you can either keep or you can resell, right? So that's another way to make money. Another way to make money is some of these companies will actually pay you X amount of money to do the review video for them. It's so important to them to have these review videos that they're willing to pay you good money just to do what you're going to do anyway, what you're already going to do anyway. So that's a third way to make money. A fourth way to make money is these companies will sometimes pay bonus income, like affiliate commissions, on top of what you make. So there's 4 ways at least, and probably another 5 or 6, another couple of ways that you'll see in the program that you can turn this into all kinds of money. And when you understand that you can promote not just on YouTube, but you can promote on all these other platforms like TikTok and Instagram, on all these different places, It's amazing what you can do with just that one little bit of work that you do. That one 30-second video, 50-second video, 2-minute video, and then splatter them all over the internet, and suddenly you're raking in all this cash.
And remember, you can do this with no experience, no money out of pocket. You can do this from anywhere in the world. If you know another language, even better, because there's so much opportunity. And it's really hard to imagine, but the reality is, like Dave said, there's millions, if not billions, of products that are out there all over the world where companies are clamoring to get people to do this. So this might be new to you that this exists, but this is like this burgeoning network of people that they're like, they start reaching out to you. They see you starting to do these videos, like, oh, okay, great. Because guess what? A lot of times with these products, there's literally no one else even doing these videos at all. So you could be the only person. If you're one of 5, who cares? A company's going to love it if they have 5 people that are not from the company that are like, check out this product, because you're bringing in traffic through these sources. And people are searching all the time to buy. You know how many people buy from Amazon. You know how many people buy from all these different areas. E-commerce is huge. So just know the opportunity is crazy. And like Dave said, companies start to come out of the woodwork. Initially, start with what you have, do some review videos, put it up there, and then it just starts rolling. You just have to get into it. Now, on top of that, you can use the power of AI. AI is very key to this because it's all done for you in the sense of, we'll go down this path in a second here, but the AI can be telling you what to literally say about these products. So you don't have to think, what should I say about my TV? What should I be saying about this pen, this box of tissue paper? We talked to John, and he was making commissions off of boxes of Kleenex. I mean, I'm not joking, right? He's making money off of Kleenex because it's anything. Like you don't have to think like, even though you can get these cool products, you can get, you name it, like Roomba. You can get all these cool things. He had arcade machines sent him, all this kind of crazy stuff, go-karts, etc. You can be getting, I'm just looking at my desk, headphones. You could be getting headphones. You could be getting books. You could be getting just tons of stuff for free on top of getting paid for.
Well, that's what we want to encourage you to do, is go down here, check this out. With literally a few seconds of your time and a phone, you can turn this into a big, big income. It's really just a matter of stacking those reviews. Pretty soon it's like a snowball that you can't stop no matter what. Right now, John's asleep, or he's awake, or he's having fun with his kids, or he's on a date with his wife. And the bottom line is 24/7, he's got money coming in that he cannot even stop if he wanted to. Imagine that. Imagine having money coming in, $300,000 a year, and you couldn't even stop if you wanted to. That's the opportunity we're talking about. So be sure to hit that orange button down below. Check this out. This is hot, and this is going to be amazing for you. It can change your life. I really believe it. So check that button down below. We'll see you inside.